very welcome to the Liberal Media House. I'm Sneha Mahale. We are here to talk about the climate change.
Climate change.
Climate change.
Climate changes.
Climate change.
People are calling it the crisis of our time, and it is. But it's easy to get lost in this story. The science is denied and the politics get in the way. The world leaders are meeting in Madrid to talk about the climate crisis and how to slow it down. And they are under pressure from millions of people around the world calling for the concrete action. What exactly are we doing wrong and how do we fix it? We start breaking CO2 records in 1915 and we haven't stopped it. The scientist says there is a 95% chance of human activities in the cause. We have been burning more and more fossil fuel like oil and coal, which release CO2 to power our homes, factories, airplanes, and cars. There is also a lot more of us. The global population has been tripled in past 70 years.
Changes here. Climate change is happening. We are well into the 6th mass extinction event.
Europe is currently colder than the Arctic.
More than 1,000 people being rescued just in the early morning hours of Sunday.
Millions of people are likely to suffer worsening food and water shortages.
Drought, which is now in its 10th year, is a phenomena that's here to stay.
We've never seen a year's worth of rain in less than 7 days.
The UN says that right now our world is 1 degree hotter, which is okay. In fact, UN says if we warm by 1.5 degree before the end of the century, we should be fine. But again, the problem is speed. There is a plan to slow all this down. World leaders signed so-called Paris Agreement. The big pledge is to cap temperature rising by 1.5 degree before the year 2100. The country set their own target to how much CO2 emit. But 3 years after agreement, CO2 level still going up.
Natural disasters becoming more and more intense, more frequent, with more devastating consequences. The dramatic impacts of drought in different parts of the world. All this is creating a situation that is a real threat to humankind, and we are not doing enough.
US, one of the biggest polluter, has pulled out.
The United States will cease all implementation of the non-binding Paris Accord and the draconian financial and economic burdens the agreement imposes on our country.
On the other hand, there is a positive momentum. There is a more awareness and some countries are making progress. India and Morocco, Gambia have massive renewable energy projects.